Happy Monday after Thanksgiving, everybody. Forgive me and no makeup or anything. It's early this morning. Monday weigh-in. All right. Well, I told you guys that I was going to try to eat in moderation and keep it, try and keep it under control for Thanksgiving. Well, I didn't. Well, I didn't go crazy. I didn't go crazy, but I did gain a lot of weight. I think it's because of the sugar and carbs. I mean, because I did have pie and a little piece of cake, and of course stuffing and mashed potatoes. Yeah, I gained 7 pounds. 7 pounds since last week. Seven. Yeah. Yeah. No makeup, no nothing today because I'm just like, oh my gosh, I got on the scale and just kind of freaked out. But it's all right. It's okay because I'm back to being strict OMAD and getting rid of the carbs. My problem was, had I just indulged on Thursday, I probably would have been fine. But we had leftovers. So I also ate carbs and sugar on Friday. And guess what? I also ate carbs and sugar on Saturday. God, I just lost my mind. And I think I really think the worst part wasn't I didn't do OMAD. It wasn't once a day. I mean, we had a couple meals each day. So there's that. I will say this, I feel lousy today. I really feel awful. And not like guilt awful, like physically awful. And I know it's from the sugar. It has to be because I don't eat sugar anymore. But I did this week. I did. Oh man, did I? I ate more sugar between last week and now than I did for the past 9 months. Yeah. So, actually, when I got on that scale this morning, I was kind of relieved that it was only 8 pounds because it should have been more, to be honest. But I'm not worried because I know I'm going to take it right back off and I'm just going to get serious again. And I'm sure a lot of you indulged or overindulged as well. And I'm sure most of us, the scale is not our friend this morning. But please post below and share in my grief. And in my embarrassment of being a little piggy all weekend, because that's basically what I was. For those of you on my Facebook, you saw that I posted a meme yesterday, or a little saying yesterday about reset, restart, readjust. Yeah, I did that for all of us, but for me as well, because yesterday was my get it together day. And I did, and I'm back on OMAD and no more sugar and cutting out the carbs this week. So I'm fairly confident that I'll lose the majority of that this week because it's not physically possible to gain that much weight that quick. So it's a lot of water weight and sugar and just my body not being not liking me very much for what I put it through this past few days. So yeah, that's my story. And I'll hang my head that I definitely blew it. Wow, did I blow it? But that's okay. Again, it's all right. We're just resetting and restarting, right? So hopefully next Monday's weigh-in is going to be filled with good news. We are just brought out of leftovers, so yay, that's a good thing. Less temptations. And there's no more cake, so that's good. I made this. Oh, you guys, I made this pineapple angel food cake. It's like the easiest thing on the planet to make, and it's so good, but oh my gosh, so bad for you. But it's delicious. And I made it, and everybody loved it, and everybody was raving, so I had some, and then I had some more. Yeah. I'm sure we all have or indulged a bit more than we had thought we would, or maybe even more than we should have, like me. But I'm going to keep it real. I mean, I blew it. I did. I blew it. I had a great time this weekend, on Thanksgiving and the last couple days. I had all of my kids here, my adult children and my grandsons, which hasn't happened in a few years because, we're in different states and different things going on. But I had everybody here in Nevada for Thanksgiving, and it was wonderful. It was just wonderful to have us all together. When your kids become adults and they're doing their own thing, it's harder to get everybody in. I mean, I see all of them often. I mean, I live with my one daughter, and my son lives just on the other side of town, so I see them very often, and I see my oldest daughter pretty often because she comes into town often. But to get them all together in one place, that doesn't happen very often. It's usually just me and one of them, me and the other one, me and the other two. You know, but it's rare to get us all together in one place. So yay, that was reason for celebration this year, this Thanksgiving, and celebrate I did, and I even drank wine. You guys, I haven't had alcohol in quite some time, but I did drink some wine. And I did drink. Oh, you know what I did also, which is why I'm sure the sugar is a big thing. Part of why I gained this weight is Pepsi. We had bought a case of Pepsi for the kids. Guess who drank some? Me. But that's okay because the kids finished it. It's gone, so no more temptation. Um, yeah. I know I should be hanging my head in shame, but I'm not. I had made some great memories. I had a good time. My friend Greg came in for a few days too, and he was here to celebrate Thanksgiving. And my son's girlfriend Sam came, and our friend Matt was here. We had a bunch of people here, and it was wonderful. It was like a community Thanksgiving. Everybody contributed between the food and chairs and tables and just last minute stuff too. Everybody brought, and we all came together, and it was wonderful. It really was wonderful, which was great because I couldn't have done it on my own. Like you guys know, my hours have been cut, and it's been a really rough year for me financially. So it made my heart feel really good that I had everybody chipping in and participating, and it turned out beautifully. And then I also uh, my daughter that I live with and I did all the cooking, and then Greg made the gravy, which was wonderful, and he's a good cook too. So it was good. It was a very, very, very good holiday, and I hope you all can say the same, and that you were surrounded by love and friendship and abundance. And okay, so it's Monday. Let's get back on track. Reset, restart. Here we go. I started yesterday actually getting back on track, and as of right now, I think you can see that I'm at almost, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's awfully bright, isn't it? Almost 20 hours fasted right now. So I did start getting back on track yesterday. And I have this app. I think I showed you guys this before. It's called Fasting Time, and I'll just pull it up here if you can see it. Gosh, it's so bright. I don't know. Can you see that? But it's called Fasting Time, and it just tracks my fasting and my weight loss. You know, you can put in your weight and stuff. And I use that daily. Didn't use it over the last few days, though, obviously. But I'm using it again. And like I said, I'm almost at 20 hours already, and it's first thing in the morning. So, yay. So I'm back on track. So back to OMAD. I'm actually going to try and do a 48 this week. I may even go gung-ho and really try for a 72. I've never done a 72, you guys. So I might try that just to get my body back to where it was, because it's not happy. It did not enjoy this overindulgence this weekend at all. I just feel lethargic, and as you can see, I didn't even put makeup on this morning. I'm just like, ugh. I'm just kind of here, and I know it's from what I ate this weekend. I know it is. So I don't like feeling like this. So what is that old saying? A few seconds on the lips, a lifetime on the hips. Well, I guess I could also say a few seconds on the lips, and then I just feel sick. So definitely back on track. And then, I'm sure come Christmas, it's going to be an overindulgence again, and then we have to get back on track. But it isn't about how often you fall or that you fall. It's that you get back up. And that's kind of where I'm at on this, is that it's time to get back up, get back on the wagon, so to speak, and back to the healthy lifestyle that we've all embraced over this past 9 months or so. Yeah, I guess it's been about 9 months since we started all of this video, anyways, this video series. All right, so post below, how did you guys do? Come on, I came clean, told you how much I gained. Time for you to make me feel better. I'm not alone, right? I'm not the only one that blew it, right? Come on. Share with me. Make me feel better about this indulgence that I did this weekend. And then next week we'll all celebrate being back on track and the scales dropping again, right? So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right, comment below, comment over on Facebook. Take a second, please, and like the videos just so that it can get out there. I really did expect or hope that the channel would be bigger by now. So if you know anybody that's trying to change their lifestyles and trying to get healthy, share my videos, share my channel, and let's try and grow this. The more people we reach, the better, right? And if you haven't joined Facebook, it's we will do this together. Debbie OMAD on Facebook group, and wonderful people on there. And many of those folks have fallen off the wagon, so to speak, and then gotten back on. And it's a super supportive group, and we're there to help. And we don't criticize them. We're not ugly. We're very, very, very supportive over there. So join us, please, and comment there as well. All right, so the poll this week is, did you blow it on Thanksgiving, and are you starting fresh today? So I'll look for your answers below. Love you guys. Remember, we are in this together. We will do this together, and okay, so we will fall sometimes together too, but we'll get right back on it. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.